Using advanced spectral analysis, we ensure the Lampropeltis triangulum meets our strict parameters for high-grade leather, focusing on banding contrast.
This micro-inspection is critical for achieving the desired tactile feel of the pattern replication leather Model L-T49.
The stabilized milk snake specimens are automatically indexed and moved into the robotic extraction modules.
Flow rate is holding steady at target levels.
Viscosity confirmed. Authorization for sterilization phase approved.
The pre-tanning cleaning step is critical. It ensures the tanning agents penetrate uniformly, guaranteeing
the homogenized biological material is measured precisely into pre-sterilization containers. Automated volumetric
The robotic arms meticulously manipulate the edges, preventing distortion before the chemical baths, ensuring the final The hides are stretched flat on climate-controlled racks to maintain their shape. Infrared lamps then The heat maps confirm precision against the LT49 standard, ensuring only flawless material proceeds to cutting.
Here we see the Model L-T49 aligning the cuts along the natural pattern lines to maximize aesthetic impact and minimize waste.
The Model L-T49, featuring the striking milk snake pattern, is now ready for shipment.
Ensuring perfect homogeneity, the mixture receives specialized trace elements. Attendant
The massive scale of the protein meal here in Process B contrasts sharply with the delicate packaging of the earlier Product A.
Confirming the successful milling and blending process, the equipment analyzes the powder for micronutrient content and purity, ensuring the final product meets the highest standards.
System check complete. Cycle status reads green across the board.
Confirmed. We are ready for the next run.
A robotic arm retrieves a pallet of protein meal from the high-stack storage rack. The movement initially
The growth metrics confirm the supplement's efficacy.
Yes, the results are outstanding. The automated delivery system is working perfectly.
The key benefit is the high protein formulation, derived through our advanced industrial process.
Right, maximizing the specialized nutrition profile.
That concludes your purchase. Have a great day. Thank you. You too.
The specialized automated machinery mixes the light tan protein powder into the soil substrate, an innovative non-feeding application.
The results are clear. Our protein meal provides the nutrients needed for superior growth.
The finished protein meal is rapidly distributed across our global network, confirming its role as a key commodity derived from the milk snake material.